Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Pearlessence Bombshell Dry Shampoo, a game-changer in hair care.
This is touted as the best Pearlessence dry shampoo on the market, and we're about to find out why.
What makes this dry shampoo stand out? First off, it's designed to refresh your hair, absorb excess oil, and extend the life of your hairstyle without water. Perfect for those busy days or when you need a quick hair pick-me-up. Applying it is a breeze. Simply spray onto your roots, let it sit for a few moments, and then massage it in. It's formulated to be virtually transparent, so no worries about white residue. The Pearlessence Bombshell Dry Shampoo not only cleanses your hair but also adds volume and body, giving your locks that fresh from the salon lift. It's suitable for all hair types and colors, making it a versatile addition to any beauty routine. Packaged in a generous 8-ounce size, it's a great value for its performance. Plus, it's crafted by Pearlessence, known for quality hair care products that deliver results. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dry shampoo that does it all, absorbs oil, adds volume, and keeps your hair looking fresh, look no further than the Pearlessence Bombshell Dry Shampoo. It's truly a must-have.
That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.